Hey guys, welcome to G-Force. Today I'm introducing one of the newest products to our jacking rail lineup. This one is also for a Mustang, but it's for a convertible. So this fits a 2015 to 2026 Mustang, which is also considered a S550 or S650 car. But what's different about these is that the convertibles have a factory like X-brace type deal in the rear of the vehicle. And what these allow is for a bolt-in installation with those factory braces still installed. So you can see that this side of the rails is modified so that it fits right over there, and it allows for an easy installation, and it allows for a very good spot to jack your car up when you need to repair it. So if you want to find out more about these jacking rails or our other versions, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.